Hey, what's up? Some days ago, we made videos about Doogee S95 Pro and Ulefone Armor 7. These are flagship rugged phones with 8GB of RAM, 128GB of storage and 48MP triple camera. Today, another popular Chinese manufacturer, Blackview, announced the new rugged phone. It is called Blackview BV9800 Pro. The main features of this phone are 6.3 Full HD display, 48MP main camera, 6 and 128GB of memory, 6580 mAh battery. So let's make first review of Blackview BV9800 Pro. Should you buy this phone? Let's find out. Blackview BV9800 Pro has a typical design for rugged phones. The back panel is made of rubber, while the side faces are metal. You can see dual camera, flashlight and FLIR thermal camera on the back. By the way, thermal camera is one of the main features of this phone. There is a lot of information about thermal camera on official website and Indiegogo platform. On the front panel, we can see 6.3-inch display with Full HD Plus resolution. The screen is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass, but we don't know generation. Also, you can see Waterdrop notch above the display. I cannot say that the bezels around the display are very thin. However, this is okay for rugged phone. By the way, Blackview BV9800 Pro has IP68, IP69 and many other protection standards. It is not afraid of water, sand, low and high temperature. The smartphone has USB Type-C port and fingerprint reader on side. Okay, it is time to talk about hardware. The new Blackview phone is powered by Helio P70 chipset. This is a good mid-range processor with 140,000 points in Antutu. Also, the new phone has 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal memory. As you can see, Blackview BV9800 Pro is not flagship phone. However, you can play any games on this mobile device, for example, PUBG Mobile and Call of Duty. The phone runs on Android 9.0. The other features include NFC, GPS, GLONASS and Baidu. Talking about camera, Blackview BV9800 Pro has 48MP main sensor from Sony and 5MP secondary sensor on the back. The third sensor on the rear panel is thermal camera. The front camera has 16MP sensor. I don't see real sample photos, so I cannot say anything about image quality. 48MP sensor is good, but the photos quality also depends on software optimization. Blackview BV9800 Pro has the biggest battery among the new rugged phones, such as Doogee S95 Pro and Ulefone Armor 7. Blackview mobile device comes with 6580 mAh battery. It also supports fast and wireless charging. Blackview company launches the campaign on Indiegogo. The campaign will last another 19 days. Then the new phone will go on sale. The super early bird price is $300, and I think it is a really good price for this rugged phone. Blackview BV9800 Pro has a very nice design with Waterdrop notch, big Full HD display, good cameras and large battery. The processor could be better, but it is okay. You can play any games on this phone. Thanks for watching this video. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel TICWRIS.